Welcome to my allotment, plot 3 in North Warwickshire. Today I'm going to attempt to build a grow room within the polytunnel, which hopefully will be heated via candles or a paraffin heater. We will see. Materials. This large bubble wrap is 1.5 metres wide. So I had to quickly work out exactly how I was going to build it using the materials that I've got. Those small laths are about 75 centimetres, so that's half the width of the bubble wrap. So the width of the grow room is going to be that. These other laths are that wide. You can see one at the bottom there, and those will run in that direction. So we've got some idea of the materials that we've sourced, recycling, not cost me a penny, as to how the grow room is going to be built. Minimum waste, no extra costs. The bubble wrap, £30. Pick me up. I think that's the most I've ever spent, other than the initial fee for the things that I bought on the allotment. But when you look at these small little grow greenhouses, you know, £30 to £60, this will be of a nice size, but hopefully small enough so that the heat will remain. So that bubble wrap is pushed tight up against those wooden battens, so then we should have a gap between the bubble wrap and the outer plastic of the polytunnel, which should hopefully be the insulator. I'll move on and I'll keep bringing you back as we make progress. That's the first bit done. The only mistake I did make, when I initially put the bubble wrap up, I forgot that I'd probably have to fold it over onto that top batten. And when you do staple, make sure you staple across between the two bubbles. You might be saving one air pocket, but staple through that thin bit and it'll just pull through. That's a lot stronger where the two bubbles meet. I'll move on. Well, that's where we're up to now, and I'm certainly glad I'm not working outside today. The sun's just coming out, but it has gone a lot colder. So those battens, no cutting, so those battens have worked that out nice. I'm just going to assess now how many battens I need, or try and use all up I've got, and I'll just show you how I came to the spacings for the shelves. And don't forget to pre-drill the holes, because the support laths aren't very thick. So a little bit of thought went into how wide the shelf should be. On the left you've got the traditional propagator seed tray, and then you've got the kitchen rolls, and then you've got the toilet rolls in the cardboard tray within the mushroom box with the traditional propagator cover on the top. So that should be adequate. So that's where we are at the moment. I've put another piece of timber across the top. That is a little bit higher, so it will slope towards the back, and any condensation should just flow to the back and drip down the back panel. That's end of part 1. I need to go home now, and as you know, it's all raw footage with me, so I can't take the chance that it switches off. Thanks for watching everyone, subscribing, commenting, and take care till next time.